Welcome to Autospector, the ultimate destination for all car enthusiasts and patrol heads alike. Here at Autospector, we don't just bring you the latest car news and reviews, we ignite your passion for all things on four wheels. From jaw-dropping supercars to the latest innovations in electric vehicles, our channel is your one-stop pit stop for an adrenaline-fueled ride into the heart of the automotive world. Join us as we rev up engines, dissect cutting-edge technologies, and navigate the twists and turns of the ever-evolving car industry.
Before we delve further into our journey, we kindly invite you to subscribe to Autospector, your gateway to automotive excellence.
The 2024 Hyundai Staria Load has made its debut in the Australian market, replacing the iLoad as Hyundai's commercial van. Its futuristic and stylish design challenges the conventional notion of a work van, sharing its platform with the Kia Carnival and the people-moving Staria. With a keen eye on the segment-leading Toyota HiAce, let's delve into what this newcomer brings to the table in its 2024 iteration. The Hyundai Staria Load kicks off at $46,240 before on-road costs for the two-seater model, featuring dual sliding side doors and a lift-back tailgate. An interesting offering is the twin swing-style barn door, included at no extra cost. The five-seater crew van variant is priced at $50,140 drive away before on roads. Both the two-seat van and five-seat crew van configurations run on a single rear-wheel drive powertrain, powered by the 2.2-liter diesel engine borrowed from its SUV counterpart, the Santa Fe. They share features like 17-inch steel wheels, 8-inch touchscreen displays, leather-appointed knobs and wheels, black cloth seats, wireless charging, keyless entry, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For those seeking additional luxuries, the Staria Load premium van steps up the game with features such as two 10.25-inch screens, LED lighting, power tailgate, 17-inch alloy wheels, heated and power-folding mirrors, and push-button start. The Staria Load boasts a payload capacity of 1,072 kilograms and a gross vehicle mass, GVM, of 3,020 kilograms. It can tow up to 2,500 kilograms with a brake towing capacity, balanced by a modest 100 kilograms bull load rating. The braked gross combination mass, GCM, stands at 5,520 kilograms. In terms of safety, the Staria Load earned a 5-star ANCAP rating during testing alongside the Staria in 2021. Notable scores include 85% for adult occupant protection and 86% for child occupant protection. Standard safety features include autonomous emergency braking, speed sign recognition, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot warning, front and rear parking sensors, and a rear view camera. Liftback variants add a surround view monitor for enhanced safety. The Hyundai Staria Load comes with a 5-year/160,000 kilometers warranty, applicable for both commercial and private usage. Hyundai also offers capped price servicing, costing $360 for each 12-month/15,000 kilometers service over the initial 5 years. This comprehensive package enhances the overall appeal of the Staria Load in terms of ownership and maintenance.